I love birthday cakes. Oh, even these flowers, edible, just plug them and add to this. Especially in South India, we love fried rices. And in that, everybody makes variations of it. And I'm going to make ginger fried rice. Ginger is considered to be very potent immunity and all that. So, this very simple ginger fried, my God, it's so tasty. For this, I'm going to use gingerly oil. This is not made out of ginger. This is sesame seed oil. Add 2 spoons of oil. In this, we're going to add a lot of ginger, very little of garlic, and instead of regular onions, we're going to add the white of a spring onion here and the green ones, which give a nice crunch and taste. We're going to add it in the last. In this, add salt and slowly saute it. Look at this. All these onion, ginger and garlic have to sizzle a little bit. This one gets a taste, little bit of sweetness and a lot of chili sauce. So we're going to use red chili sauce and pinch of sugar. Add little bit of chopped green chili, a little bit of vinegar for the punch, pinch of sugar, red chili sauce. This will also give very nice look for the rice. Add some soya sauce, crushed pepper. If you want, you can add a little bit of flavoring salt, MSG. To get a little bit of redness, I'm going to add some Kashmiri chili powder. When it is about to finish, we're going to add freshly cut ginger. Pre-cooked rice. Toss all of this rice. It will look a little bit reddish because of the chili sauce, and this ginger rice is full of flavor. This is perfect. You will see red strands. This is what will give even more better taste. No matter what rice you make, always taste the salt. Finish it off with little spring onion. This is so good. Beautiful. There is another favorite rice of mine. This is capsicum fried rice. This can be made many ways, but I am showing you a gunpowder like thing with peanut, and along with this capsicum and curry leaf, this will be excellent. You can also add egg to this, but I am going to show it some other time. So for this, you are going to add red chili. In this, add peppercorn, mustard, urad dal, cumin seeds, sesame seeds. This is fried chana. On a very slow flame, dry roast these ingredients. It will start giving aroma. Now you can add desiccated coconut powder. Also have roasted peanuts here. Pinch of hing, curry leaf. The raw coconut powder has to slightly color. That's when this will become perfect. Add salt, and after you ground this coarsely, you can add a little more salt if needed. In my cooking, I use different oils. So the earlier one I have used sesame seed oil. Now I am going to use peanuts oil. In the oil, add chopped onion, garlic, and let it sizzle. Add green chili, curry leaf. I am going to add fresh corn here and capsicum. Add some salt. Already there is some salt in the gunpowder, and just toss it. Corn or the capsicum doesn't need too much of cooking. In this, add the coarsely ground gunpowder. Just mix, and all the oil, whatever we have added, will be absorbed by this powder. My God. Add rice. And once again, toss the rice, and you have this fantastic, beautiful capsicum rice. So flavorful. Nothing else is needed. If you want, you can add a lot more garlic in this. Just too good. You can also squeeze in a little bit of lime juice. And this is perfect. Fresh and hot, and you will just love it. This chili coriander fried rice is another favorite of mine. For this, you got to take a lot of green chili. The spice, the hotness will come from this. Add some ginger and garlic. I also add a little bit of 1 or 2 clove, cardamom, jeera and cinnamon stick. Add tomatoes. First grind these, and when this is ground, you're going to add green coriander into that and make a paste. Add some oil in the pan and add finely chopped onion. Add salt and let these onions get slightly golden. The coarsely ground the entire masala. Mix all of this. You have to cook till some of the oil starts coming out. That's when you will get the real flavor. You will also retain the green color because you are cooking it without the lid on. So the volatile acids which will discolor this will escape and it will maintain the nice green color. You can see some of the oil starts coming out of this. In this, I am going to add some sambar powder, very little, just for additional flavor. My God, the combination of that aroma is something, wow. Here is the rice that has been pre-cooked. Add to this. Now toss this over. You can make so many kinds of chitranas, are excellent for lunchbox or evening, like a meal. Just make this and you will just love it. My God. Queen Victoria, she loves all kinds of, these kinds of fried rices. This is nice, perfect and full of flavor. And at the last, once again, little more of salt should be good enough. Perfect. Flavorful, aromatic, green chili and coriander fried rice. This is a great combination. You got to try this. Oh, hey, this is not the neem leaf. This is a leaf of moringa, the drumstick fruit plant. This leaf is so potent that you add to any of the dishes you make, it will really enhance your life. I would suggest you read more about this moringa leaf. What I did is very carefully, individually plucked leaves. Add some oil in the pan and this time I am using coconut oil. Add mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds start spluttering, add red chili, some chana dal for the crunch, urad dal, fennel seeds. So we are going to slowly let this fry. When you see the dal slightly giving aroma and getting color, add garlic, green chili and also add some chopped onion. The spoon I am using is a silicone spoon, very easy to use and especially to clean the sides, this is very good. Let these onions also sizzle. When the onions sizzle, that's it, you don't need to cook this any further. Basically, you're going to add the moringa leaf, saute this for just 1 minute. We're going to add some sesame seed powder. Add grated coconut. You will notice that leaf is becoming soft and perfect. And also, this is the moringa leaf flower. Even these flowers, you can eat edible, just pluck them and add to this. Give it one toss once again and that's it. Very nutritious. Add pre-cooked rice into this. Toss all of this. This gives so much satisfaction. Among all the fried rices, this is supposed to be very, very healthy. So be watchful on the amount of oil you add. The coconut, the fennel will give you a very good flavor along with onion and garlic. Moringa fried rice, you can add more of the leaf if you want, but you can start off from this much. I love birthday cakes. Is it your birthday? Is it your birthday? It is somebody special. I am going to introduce a young man who recently finished his engineering. His passion for food is so much and he handles a lot of the behind the scenes here, and I know his passion is so much, actually greater than mine, that he would make a mark in food industry. So I welcome Mr. Pranav. Pranav, please come in. This handsome looking man, he's so much interested in food and in very short time he learned so much that I have eaten his kebabs and his biryanis, and in fact we made him make his own cake. Pranav, I am so happy that you are part of our team and let's celebrate your birthday. Please cut the cake. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Pranav. Okay. All the best. Bright future. So we just love you and one for you.
Yeah.
Bunty, jump in.
Happy birthday.
Very soon you will be seeing him also as part of our show. Isn't it, Pranav?
Yeah.
Yes. So, little bit shy, but he'll get there.
Happy birthday.
The beautiful ginger rice. Wow. The next is the Moringa leaf rice and green chili and coriander rice. My God, this aroma is dominating on this. The capsicum rice with little bit of sweet corn. First, I am going to try with moringa. Nice subtle flavors. The idea that this is most nutritious leaf automatically makes it very tasty for me. With little bit of garlic, the capsicum rice, lot of flavor, little bit crunch of capsicum, corn, and even the onion makes it really, really good. Another very flavorful and interesting is chili and coriander. My God. This itself, out of the world. The ginger one has got awesome flavor. Each one of them is wonderful in their own way. Make it for your family, for your loved ones. Loved ones, Queen Victoria, please tell me how this is. How flavorful?
It's Manchurian type.
It's got that the Manchurian flavor and all that. The capsicum and corn, green chili and coriander. You can have it with raita, curd, or anything. And wow, this ginger, Victoria said, this has got that Asian aroma flavors. My God, this is just out of the world. My love for this food will continue, but when you eat the best of the best food, you got to ding chicka, ding chicka, ding chicka, and every bite, more.